the human circulatory system. In this chapter, we will learn about main parts of the circulatory system that are heart, blood vessels. Process of circulation in the body, components of blood and their functions, type of blood groups, blood pressure, heartbeat and pulse, keeping the heart healthy. Today, in this video, we are going to cover the main parts of circulatory system, blood. We are going to study in this chapter about the blood. So, let's see. Children, we know that all organisms need food, water and oxygen for survival. We need to transport all these to various parts of body. We need to transport food, water and oxygen to various parts of the body. The system through which the blood circulates is called circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The system through which the blood circulates is called circulatory system. The circulatory system in human beings consists of blood, blood vessels, heart, and its function is to transport gases, nutrients, waste and hormones to the other parts of body. In human beings, the respiratory gases, essential nutrients and excretory products are transported through a fluid medium called the blood. Blood is the medium through which that essential nutrients and excretory products are transported to our body. The main parts of circulatory systems are blood, blood vessels, heart. Blood is a connective tissue. Several types of blood cells are suspended in a light yellow colored fluid medium called the plasma. This is plasma, and several types of blood cells are suspended in a this is yellow colored fluid in plasma. These several type of blood cells are there, okay, that is red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. The fluid part of blood is called plasma. This is red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Red blood cell. Red blood cell contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. Red blood cells contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. Erythrocytes or red blood cells, RBCs, are the most abundant cell in the blood. They are produced in red bone marrow present in the long bones. RBCs are big bioconcave disc. It seems to be bioconcave disc. Bioconcave disc is the geometrical figure, that the shape, that figure of it, okay, without a nucleus. It doesn't have nucleus. Do you remember, children, what is nucleus? Nucleus is the control center of the activities of the cell. So this RBCs, it doesn't have any nucleus. Mature RBCs have a lifespan of 120 days. Hemoglobin and iron containing protein is present in these cells. Iron containing protein is present in these cells. It gives the RBCs their characteristic red color. Because of that this blood is in red color. Oxygen combines with hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin and is transported within the body. The function of RBCs is oxygen combines with hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin and is transported within the body. Carbon dioxide too combines with hemoglobin. Carbon dioxide also combines with hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. Thus, the main function of the RBC is the transport of respiratory gases. What is the main function of RBC? It transports the respiratory gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now we will study about white blood cell, that is WBC. WBC is also called as leukocytes. Leukocytes or white blood cells WBC are lesser in number. Now I have told RBCs are large in number whereas WBCs are lesser in number and are large in size than the RBCs. They have a distinct nucleus. RBCs, they doesn't have any nucleus, but this WBC have distinct clear nucleus but do not have definite shape. That RBCs have biconcave disc, no, that shape is, but this white blood cell, it doesn't have any shape. WBCs do not contain any pigment and are therefore colorless. It doesn't have any color. Depending upon the presence or absence of granules in the cytoplasm, WBCs are of two types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Here, what is the main function of WBC? It fights with germs that may enter in our body. White blood cell fight against germs that may enter in our body. Now only I have told you WBCs are of two types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. White blood cells destroy the disease causing germs and protect the body from diseases. Thus, they are said to provide immunity to the body. It provides immunity to our body. That is the main function of WBC. Here you can see that neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte and lymphocyte. What is that? Granulocytes. I told WBCs are two types. Okay. Granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are further categorized into neutrophils. These are the category of granulocytes. These are the categories of granulocytes. This is neutrophil, eosinophil and basophils. And the another type of WBC is agranulocytes. Agranulocytes are of two types, that is monocyte and lymphocyte. Now next we have to study about platelets. Platelets are also said to be thrombocytes. They are very small in size. These cells do not possess any nucleus. They don't have any nucleus. So till now we have studied RBC doesn't have any nucleus, but WBC have clear nucleus, whereas platelets also doesn't have any nucleus. The function of platelets, that is thrombocytes, that is the another name, help in clotting of the blood, thus preventing the loss of blood from the body during an injury. The mechanism of blood clotting, how it is clotting the blood. Blood clotting is a complex process. When there is cut in a body, the platelets activated the soluble protein, that is fibrinogen, which is converted to insoluble fibrin. Fibrin forms a mesh around the injured part. Fibrin forms make a a net type of thing around your injury. Injury, no, where you get injured, as a result of which the blood cells are trapped. Thus, a clot is formed and the cut is plugged. Because of that, because fibrin is the protein, no, it makes a net around your injury. Because of that, what happened? Blood cells are trapped. Thus, a clot is formed and the cut is plugged. Okay, so this is about that how this blood clotting is done. Now, what is the function of thermobosides? What is thermoboside, children? That is platelets. Help in clotting of blood, thus preventing the loss of blood from the body. It prevents because it helps in the clotting of the blood. How it helps now only I have told. And these thermobosides, thus because of that loss of blood from the body during an injury. Okay, it helps in clotting of blood and this prevent the loss of blood from your body. So this much we have studied today. In our next class we will study more about blood. So till that you can find the questions of some answers which are given in your book, page number 74. Name the important proteins present in blood plasma. What are the important proteins present in the blood plasma? What are the difference between erythrocytes and leukocytes? Name the different types of white blood cells. What is fibrin? What is its importance? These questions are given on page number 74. Find the answers of these questions. Thank you, children.